Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make abacha from cassava tuber. Yes, so let's get started. Here I have some cassava tubers which I've already washed. I'll go ahead and peel off the skin. You can also cook it before peeling. Just make sure that you don't overcook it. I cut this into smaller sizes before peeling, but if you want longer abacha, you don't have to cut it. After peeling all the cassava I want to use, I will wash it again before adding to the pot and add some water and cook it until it is done. You know it is well cooked when it turns from that white color to a sort of brownish color, and then you can easily separate or see the vein in the center, or when the knife can pass through it easily. Then take it out from the stove and water and allow it to cool down, and when your hand can handle it, then you start grating it. We use grater for this. You can see the way I'm grating it. Yee, look at that, it's beautiful. And here we have it cut. I'll transfer it to the bowl. It's very sticky now, but once water touches it, it will not be sticky again. So after transferring into a bowl, I'll add some water to it. Then use my hand and separate it. We'll cover it and then keep it till the next day. This is night. I'll keep it till the next morning to wash it off. And this is the next day. It is time to wash our abacha. It's very slimy now, but after washing it for several times, it will not be slimy again. This is after about 12 hours because we soaked it around 8 p.m. yesterday night or evening, and now it's past 8 in the morning. So I'll go ahead and wash it. I'm going to wash this as many times as possible until it is clean and no more slimy. After washing thoroughly, I'll then transfer to a basket and allow it to drain water for some time before I will now transfer into a tray which I've lined with my baking sheet. If you have sack bag, you can use that, or any other thing that can help to drain the water very well. Or if you're in the village, you can use akpara. That's what we call it. So if you are from Mbise, you will know what I'm talking about. I don't know the English name, but it is made from palm tree branches. Next, I will take it out to the sun and allow it to dry under sun. And here we have our dry abacha. This took 2 days to dry like this. You can also dry this in your oven or with a dehydrator or even under your fan. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.